Do you want to do the room tour? You do? We're in a new place. We're out by the airport in Chicago. I know. What are we doing out here? We're going to the sports card show convention at the convention center out here in Rosemont. And just to make it a little easier, we've got a little staycation happening. And we're here at the Hilton. It is called the Rose Tapestry Hotel. It's by Hilton. It's a Hilton brand hotel. And we have a lovely little room here for 2 nights. We'll give you a little tour. It's gonna be great. Walking in right here, nice bathroom. Nice bathroom with shower. Very big shower, actually. All the things you need. Some towels. Just let me get some light on in here. There we go. Okay. Got your soaps, lotion. Toilet over here. Some rose artwork. Coat hangers. Back out here to the main room, closet, very heavy doors, ooh. Shelf, steamer, ironing board, luggage rack, some hangers, kind of a small closet. You can see it's only like the length of Ernie, so it's not real big. But we're only here for 2 nights, so we're okay. Oh, that's loud, I'm sorry. Oh gosh, okay. All right, and out here into the main room. Big size king bed, looks super comfy. Can't wait to dive into that later. Oh, nightstand over here with a shelf for storage. Anything you need from the hotel staff, QR code, scan that. Telephone, lights, artwork up there. Got your coffee over here on the counter, inside the box. And a very old school looking fridge. I kind of love it. Nice and big, complete with a freezer section. How cool is that? Gotta love it. It's got a freezer section and look at this. A little bottle opener here on the side. How fancy is that? Very cool. We got some drawers down here if you want to unpack. Got 4. Now see this down here, this is bigger than the closet, so put your suitcase down here. I think that's what we're gonna do. Yeah, our suitcase will totally fit down there and be out of the way. And then up here, we got some complimentary water because we are, what are we, silver? Yeah, I think we're silver for Hilton Honors, so we get 2 free bottles of water, so that's awesome. An ice bucket, cups, and a little desk over here if you need to do some work, and also for your room service menu right here. And then you've got a nice couch here. You can do some relaxing with the Whiskey Tango Foxtrot pillow because we are very close to the airport, so we got a lot of planes. Got your safe over here by this nightstand. I also like this little table over here, or shelf, if you will. More storage could happen. Very nice. Take a look at the view, which I think if you look over to the left, the airport is over there, so you would possibly see some planes coming and going. Kind of exciting.
Also, hey, fun fact, did you know Chicago has a third baseball team? In fact, they do, and they play right here in Rosemont, actually across from our hotel at Impact Field. These are the Chicago Dogs. This is a team that is a member of the American Association of Independent Professional Baseball, so it's kind of like a minor league team, but not associated with Major League Baseball, I think is how it goes. Looks pretty fun. They have fireworks every Saturday night, which we are now getting to enjoy because this video is being filmed on a Saturday night. So kind of bonus with this room, we got a fireworks view. That's pretty fun. I would love to go and check out one of these games. Maybe we will. Leave a comment if you guys want us to check out the Chicago Dogs. And meanwhile, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we will have a little resort day tour coming up. So make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out. And once again, we appreciate you for watching, and hope you enjoyed this room tour here at the Rose Hotel Tapestry Collection, Hilton, out by O'Hare International Airport here in Chicago.